The world of technology has undergone remarkable transformations in recent years, altering how we live, work, and connect with one another. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into various industries, it reshapes job roles and improves operational efficiencies. The surge in smart technology has transformed everyday objects into interconnected devices, creating a more convenient and automated lifestyle for consumers. E-commerce has revolutionized shopping habits, while telemedicine and digital health technologies enhance access to healthcare services for many. Education has transformed with digital tools, making learning more accessible, while the shift to renewable energy sources reflects a growing commitment to environmental sustainability. The rise of 3D printing and augmented reality is pushing the boundaries of creativity and efficiency in design and engineering fields. With growing concerns over cybersecurity, innovations in digital protection are crucial for safeguarding personal and organizational information.